Hello there, this is Chris, and here we have another fun agent. This one is intended to create corporate illustrations. So, now that image AI has really come a long way, I think we're to the point where we can really use, you know, language models and AI generated artwork in a corporate setting, right? So I want to create a agent that kind of guides you through some choices and then create some images that you could use in your business, whether it's website, blog posts, social media, any collateral, marketing content, anything really. Here you go. So first you'll select which type of image it is, right? So let's do let's do line art. And then I'm going to describe the subject. So I'm going to say a surfboard that is the shape of a taco. That sounds fun. And then describe an office object. So if you want to include like a chart or maybe like a dashboard from a computer screen, like looking at reports or something like that, we have a bunch of examples in here. I'm going to skip that. And then with color selection, I'm doing line art. And then I have a bunch of preset colors. You could also just enter colors you wanted in here, but I'll do nautical. And then background color. You don't have to fill this out. It can select on its own, but if you certainly have a background color you want, go ahead. So I'm just going to leave it blank. Let the language model decide. Here we go. Okay, so then here what I've done is I have a couple images to choose from, so you can pick the one you like. So here's one shaped as a taco. All right, here we go, another surfboard. And then, so didn't know what to do with the taco subject, but here you go. You could have, you could have these images created. And so you could go through and try all sorts of the different designs and colors, and try it out. I recommend you explore all the different choices and see if you find a style you like. And if you do, take note of it so that you can reuse it if you want your branding or your art, cohesive. And if you find that you do want anything like hard coded or you want to alter this at all, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to edit this agent for you to make sure you're successful with it. So great. I hope you enjoy. Take care.